welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. As some of y'all may know, I am a huge fan of keyboards. However, a few years ago, I didn't even know there were different types of keyboards, let alone anything about different keycaps, switches, or about being able to customize / modify your keyboard. Around the Demi Lovato time, I became obsessed with those like aesthetic ASMR mechanical keyboard typing videos or modifying videos, and those videos of people changing their keycaps or their switches. The main creator whose videos I was obsessed with at the time and still am were Mochicraft's videos. Love her content. It's so cute and also really informational, so I was hooked instantly, and I remember really wanting to start my mechanical keyboard journey. As much as I love those videos, I would save them to rewatch them when I couldn't sleep at 2 o'clock in the morning. I am definitely still a beginner. The most I've done ever with my keyboards is like switch my keycap, so I get so jealous when I see those keyboards with the super cute keycaps, the amazing matching case with switches, and the most buttery and soft sounding typing I've ever heard in my entire life. And I get so jealous because usually those keyboards are custom built or modified. I wish I could do that, but I don't have the knowledge. Well, I can honestly say that my dreams have come true because there is finally a keyboard that has all those amazing qualities that I love from custom built keyboards, but it's ready to use right out of the box. I don't have to do anything to it. That's how it comes. That's how it's pre-built. And here it is. It's the DSA Sylph Potion ACR Pro 75 mechanical keyboard. This keyboard is a collaboration from Mochicraft's The Key Company and AKKO, so it like feels like full circle here. I have a full unboxing video over on my TikTok and my Instagram if you're interested in seeing. This video is going to be just more giving an overview and my thoughts on the keyboard. I'm obsessed. I love this keyboard. So let's talk more about the DSA Sylph Potion. The limited edition AKKO ACR Pro 75 is the lovely product from a special partnership between Mochicraft's The Key Company and AKKO. The official Mochi limited edition bundle includes a fully assembled ready-to-use keyboard right out of the box, spec'd exactly as Mochi uses. It was designed by AKKO and Mochicraft's, with the key set being designed by Mochicraft's in collaboration with the Key Company and manufactured by keeb. This adorable Sylveon-inspired keyboard is a 75% layout keyboard. It is gasket mounted with hot swappable PCB and a super cute Sylph Potion pink acrylic case with matching DSA Sylph Potion keycaps. It has pre-installed and pre-lubed plate-mounted stabilizers, but the PCB also supports PCB-mounted stabilizers. The plate is made of polycarbonate and includes plate foam and case foam. The pink acrylic case feels thick and sturdy with thick bezels and a flat typing angle. For switches, you have the choice between AKKO Cream Yellow Pro switches or Blue Pro switches. The cream yellows are linear and the cream blues are tactile. I went with the Cream Yellow Pro switches for my keyboard. These AKKO Pro switches include smooth stem travel and a dust jacket. The keyboard also includes silicone gaskets, pour-on plate foam, silicone switch pads, EVA case foam, AKKO plate mounted loop stabilizers, and south-facing LEDs. The package includes a coiled USB cable, a keycap puller, a switch puller, spare silicone gaskets, and a hex screwdriver. To me, one feature that stands out the most about the Sylph Potion is the keycap set. The DSA Sylph Potion is a charming uniform profile set designed by Mochicraft. Sylph Potion's colorways are evolved from a fairy type afflictions to encourage strong friendships and creativity. The theme is so cute and magical, and you can really tell a lot of love and attention to detail went into the design. This set is MX compatible and works with Cherry MX switches and MX style switches. It's made of a PBT plastic / dye sublimation that will not fade or shine over time, making them really durable and long lasting. They are DIN standard height, have spherical touch area, and the same keycap profile across all rows. The DSA profile can accommodate a wide range of mechanical keyboard sizes and types. The kit is a 133 piece base kit and includes a limited edition spacebar and 1 U key. They also have extension, novelties, and ISO kits available. The keyboard comes with the keycap shown on the keyboard already, plus a few extras to swap out if you'd like. However, you will have to purchase additional kits on the keyset product page if you want the keycap set to accommodate larger layouts. This keeb is perfect as an entry-level keyboard for both beginners who are interested in learning to mod keyboards and for those who have more experience in the mechanical keyboard hobby. I love how the typing feels and sounds. They are both amazing right out of the box. You definitely don't need to modify this at all and can use it as is. I know personally I have been, and I don't have any plans on modifying it anytime soon. However, I do love that you have the option to mod later on if you want. The stabs are pre-lubed and sound great without any ticking. The typing sound is not hollow and it sounds so buttery and smooth. Out of all the mechanical keyboards that I've had the pleasure of trying out and reviewing, I can honestly say that this is one of the best pre-built keybs that I've tried because of the sound and the feel and of course the aesthetic. The sound and typing are clear and satisfying and is honestly everything I've ever wanted in a keyboard. Fairy type Pokemon are my favorite type of Pokemon, so I'm definitely obsessed with the fairy type keycap inspired designs. They're so cute. And I love that it also has RGB. Y'all know I'm a big fan of keyboards with RGB. And like I said, the sound right out of the box is amazing. I honestly didn't know keyboards could sound this good right out of the box. Here, let me show you with a sound test. I love this keyboard and can honestly say this is my dream keyboard, no exaggeration. If I had the knowledge of building and modding custom keyboards, this would be the keyboard that I built. If I had that knowledge and ability. Y'all know already, I love pink and blue. Those are my favorite colors. It's so cute. Overall, so much attention and detail went into this keyboard and it all really shines through. Not only is the DSA Sylph Potion an amazing beginner-friendly and entry-level experience for anyone new to the world of mechanical keyboards, but it's also an amazing keyboard to learn how to modify and build with. You can modify it as little or as much as you want. I typically include cons in my reviews, but to be honest, I've been using this keyboard for about a week and I have not found any negatives in my experience. That's why this video is delayed a bit, because I like to actually use the keyboards I review for a little while before I make a video about them. I have not had any negative experiences. I find myself reaching for this keyboard and using this keyboard the most out of all my mechanical keyboards that I have. It's just so comfortable to type on. I love the sound of the typing and I love the layout as well. It gives me all the benefits of a full-size keyboard, but it's still compact enough that it's easy to game on, and it's not so restrictive as some smaller size keyboards are. I love the sound, the layout, the lights, and just the aesthetic of the keyboard in general. It's just so beautiful, and like I said, I've done nothing to modify this keyboard. Also, like, this design in the back is so adorable. So definitely, if you're like me and you love the aesthetic, have limited knowledge but want a good starter keyboard to eventually learn to modify and build on, or even if you're an expert already and have built your own keyboards, this would be an amazing amazing addition to anyone's collection. Or even if you don't have a collection but you just want a new keyboard, this would be perfect for everything that you need. Thank you to Mochi Crafts for including me in this launch and like sending this prototype over. I am so grateful and so honored. All information for buying this keyboard should be on the screen, and all links will also be in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out before the pre-order ends. There's also a lot of different merchants with different accessories that are part of this collaboration. Personally, I am planning on getting the cable from Personal Loot. It has the same aesthetic and the same colorways, so I'm super excited to add that to my setup. And let me know in the comments what you think of this keyboard, or if you're planning on getting this keyboard, or if you've gotten it already. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope it was helpful. If you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel, and I'd really appreciate it. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. That really means so much to me. Please be sure to click that bell icon, that way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to see more keyboard review videos like this, be sure to let me know by clicking the thumbs up button. Thank you again so much to Mochi Crafts, AKKO, the key company, for sending this prototype over. I love it. Remember to stay cute, stay safe, and stay hydrated, and I'll see you next week in another video. Bye!